The modern pantry is no longer a hidden storage closet. It is a curated sanctuary of efficiency and design. Elevating your kitchen with IKEA Pantry Shelving hacks allows for a bespoke, high-end look without the custom cabinetry price tag. By merging modular flexibility with premium finishes, these hacks solve common spatial dilemmas while enhancing the architectural flow of your home. Modern living demands a pantry that works as hard as it looks. From vertical optimization to integrated lighting, these sophisticated strategies transform standard IKEA units into high-performance storage systems. Whether you are dealing with a compact urban kitchen or a sprawling estate, these editorial-grade hacks provide the ultimate blueprint for a functional, visually stunning pantry that celebrates both order and elegance. Number 1. Conceal clutter with woven cane panels. The common dilemma with open Ivar shelving is the visual noise of mismatched pantry staples. This hack introduces hand-woven cane webbing to the frame doors, creating a soft visual barrier that maintains breathability. It works by masking clutter while adding a rich, organic texture to the kitchen. This solution significantly improves functionality by hiding bulkier items while enhancing the visual appeal through an organic modern aesthetic, making the pantry feel like an intentional piece of furniture rather than just utility storage. Number 2. Maximize height with floor-to-ceiling boaxle. In vertical-rich but floor-poor kitchens, the boaxle system is a game-changer. By mounting the rails from floor to ceiling, you exploit underused airspace. This hack works because it draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of a taller room. Functionality is improved by placing seasonal appliances at the top and daily essentials at eye level. The clean metal lines and white finish provide a Japandi-inspired look that feels light, airy, and impeccably organized, perfect for a modern urban lifestyle. Number 3. Integrate a built-in coffee station. Transforming a standard Billy bookcase into a multifunctional prep zone creates a luxury experience and a compact footprint. By removing a central shelf and adding a deeper walnut-wrapped insert, you create a dedicated coffee station. This hack solves the problem of kitchen counter crowding by moving small appliances into the pantry. It enhances visual appeal by using dark, moody tones and integrated LED strip lighting, turning a basic shelf into a sophisticated, high-end focal point that feels custom-built. Number 4. Optimize corners with industrial drawer. Corners are often the most wasted space in a pantry. By utilizing the heavy-duty drawer system with its specific corner connectors, you create a seamless flow of storage. This hack works by providing structural stability for heavy items like stand mixers or bulk flour bags. The black metal frame and raw plywood shelves offer an urban modern aesthetic that feels both rugged and refined. It maximizes corner accessibility, ensuring that no item is ever lost or trapped in a dark, unreachable alcove. Number 5. Illuminate storage with integrated end-head. Shadows are the enemy of an organized pantry. The end-head system, when paired with magnetic LED lighting and brass rails, transforms into a soft luxury display. This hack focuses on visibility. By lighting the back of the shelves, every item is clearly visible. It works because it eliminates the need for overhead lights for quick tasks. Visually, the combination of light gray frames and warm gold accents creates a high-end boutique pantry feel that is as inviting as it is functional. Number 6. Refine aesthetics with fluted glass doors. Hagenay shelving is often seen as basic garage storage, but with a custom stain and fluted glass door inserts, it becomes a warm minimalist masterpiece. The problem of dusty shelves and visible clutter is solved by the fluted glass, which blurs the contents while letting light through. This hack works by elevating raw wood into a custom furniture piece. It improves functionality by protecting items from kitchen grease and enhances visual appeal through the play of light and shadow on the textured glass. Number 7. Mount floating ikat for modular flow. For small, awkward walls, floating ikat cubes provide a customizable solution that preserves floor space. This hack addresses the issue of static, bulky cabinets by allowing for a staggered, artistic layout. It works by creating a breathable storage wall, where each cube can be dedicated to a specific category, like tea or baking supplies. The Scandinavian design, with its clean lines and soft palette, turns a functional storage need into a modern wall installation that feels light and contemporary. Number 8. Install deep sliding pantry racks. Deep shelves are notorious for losing items in the back. By hacking the method cabinet system with Utrusta pull-out drawers, you create a high-access sliding pantry. This hack solves the visibility problem by bringing the back of the shelf to the front. It works by utilizing every inch of cabinet depth without the frustration of digging. The contemporary design uses matte white doors with integrated finger pulls for a seamless, handleless look that epitomizes sleek, modern kitchen efficiency. Number 9. Create a horizontal bottle display. Standard shelving often fails to accommodate wine or artisanal oils properly. By repurposing the Ivar shelving with custom-fitted horizontal racks, you create a sophisticated Nordic-style cellar wall. This hack solves the issue of unstable bottle storage while keeping corks moist. It works by turning a vertical space into a specialized display. Visually, the repeating pattern of bottles against light wood creates a rhythmic, high-end aesthetic that feels both curated and practical for the modern entertainer. Transforming your pantry into a luxury space is effortless with these bespoke IKEA hacks. These smart solutions perfectly blend editorial style with daily utility. Like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Thanks!